Hello, my beautiful Stress Reset sisters. I'm so excited that you were able to complete that stress reset system and begin to live a little bit more in your own home of your body and your heart. I'm truly, truly grateful for all the women that have stepped in to my Stress Reset Detox program. And I wanted to come to you today to share a little exercise to help you if you're uncertain whether it's a yes or a no to the program. This comes completely unattached to any outcome I may have, and truly for you to help guide you in how you can make more clear and authentic yeses and nos with this program choice as well as other choices in your life. Find your way to a nice easy seat and close your eyes. And as your eyes close, just feel those shoulders relax, feeling the shoulders move over the hips, feel the neck long, begin to feel the face soften. And bringing your breath in, connecting to that diaphragmatic breathing that you've learned. As you breathe in through the nose, the belly expands. And as you breathe out through the nose, the belly relaxes. Again, inhale, belly expands. And exhale, belly relaxes. And connecting to this breath in and this breath out, bringing you here to this present moment. Now, as you sink a little deeper and deeper into your present moment, feeling yourself in the room you're seated with, listening here to me. And then as you breathe more and more, begin to bring into your mind's eye yourself standing in the fork of a road with two directions to go, one to the right, one to the left. I want you to just clearly see these two paths, seeing yourself here as the observer of this fork in the road. Now bringing your attention to the right, traveling down the road, which is the yes to you making the decision to step in to the detox program. And seeing the version of you that have completed this program, seeing what she's cleansed on a physical level, mental, emotional, and even spiritual. See where she looks and feels lighter physically and emotionally. Noticing the qualities of her that have changed. Noticing some thoughts she might be thinking or the way she's holding her body. And looking through her eyes, peering into her soul, tapping into that space within that now feels at home, and the peace that is able to live in her new home as her authentic self. And for a moment, standing in front of her, checking in with her and asking her if there's one little wisdom nugget that she could share with you now in alignment with saying yes to the program, what might it be? And be open to anything that arises. I'm slowly thanking her for that, offering gratitude for her. And as you begin to breathe in and breathe out, start to fade away back to you, the observer, in the fork of the road. Breathing in and breathing out, feeling solid here back at the beginning of the roads. Now your attention moves to the left. Bringing yourself here to the left and journeying down this road of saying no to this 21-day detox program. And just tapping into this version of you unattached to any judgment, any assumptions. And checking in and getting curious. What is possible in your life with this no? And where are you potentially feeling stuck with this no? Again, being open to any and all that arise. Either being guided to the possibilities or noticing if you're being guided to the stuckness the fears, the worries. Noticing where you're feeling pulled, and then tapping into that. Either tapping into the possibilities of the no, or tapping into the stuckness of the no. And breathing into that. And just sensing and feeling what this is. And then seeing that version of you right in front of your eyes. And asking her if there was any juicy wisdom nugget she wants to share with you. What might that be? And then slowly thanking her, appreciating her. And begin to breathe deeply as you find your way back to the beginning of the fork in the road. And standing here at the beginning of these two paths, to the right, saying yes to the program. To the left, saying no to the program. And just tapping in to see which one for you, unattached to expectations, judgments, assumptions, which decision serves your highest good. Being open to what comes in first, trusting that, and now knowing the yes or the no. And taking a deep breath in, roll the shoulders up and side out, exhale. Wiggle the shoulders, open the eyes, and coming back to the room. Hopefully now you're able to find whether your decision is a yes or a no. If it's a no, I'm here to truly support you in any way I still can. And if it's a yes, I am thrilled and I am grateful to have you join us in the Detox program. If this is that deep in your bones, yes, I encourage you to click the link and really click that yes for you. If you're having any questions from what just came from your visualization, please feel free to reach out, as it is my ultimate goal to help guide you to your most authentic yes and no. This is Tracy, and I am here to support you in any way I can. This is to your success and your yes. Be well.